Due to frequent traffic congestion in the national highway from Shillong to Jowai, the public are facing a lot of problems, especially the ones who have to go for their work, for medical purposes and other works from Shillong to Jowai and vice versa. This problem has been affecting the daily lives of people in the state. Some of them have to just return back home in the same vehicle because they could not attend to their duties on time since they reach their workplace when it is already time to leave. This frequent traffic congestion is due to stranded trucks along the way combined with severely bad condition of the road, which started from Umulong, Puriang till Maurinkneng, where only one side of the road could be used for travelling. This also could not solve the problem of congestion, since the public are impatient and would not mind overtaking and adding to the problem of the traffic police who are on duty in the area. Relating to this, today it was observed that traffic congestion started early in the morning from Mukla, Klitrshi, West Jandi Hills district till Maurinkneng, which lasted till late evening.